In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use a CRM in Monday.com. We're going to walk through the full basic workflow from opening Monday.com for the first time to organizing your sales pipeline and reviewing performance. The goal here is to create a clean, practical CRM setup that helps you track relationships, manage deals, and stay on top of follow-ups without making things overly complicated. Start by opening Monday.com and going into your workspace. If you're creating a CRM from scratch, look for the option to create a new board or browse templates. Monday.com offers CRM templates that are designed to save time, so you can either choose one that fits your sales process or start with a blank setup if you want more control. If you're new to the platform, using a template is usually the easiest option because much of the structure is already built for you. Once your CRM is created, begin adding your core records. This usually includes leads, contacts, companies, and deals. Leads are potential customers you haven't qualified yet. Contacts are the individual people you communicate with. Companies represent the organizations those people belong to, and deals are the actual sales opportunities you're working on. Keeping these categories organized from the beginning makes your CRM easier to use as your data grows. Next, customize your board by adding the columns you need to track each deal clearly. Important columns to include are deal stage, owner, value, and follow-up date. Deal stage shows where each opportunity is in your sales pipeline, such as new, qualified, proposal sent, or closed. The owner column helps assign responsibility so everyone knows who is managing each opportunity. Value lets you track the potential revenue for each deal, and the follow-up date makes it easier to stay proactive and not let opportunities go cold. As you begin working with active opportunities, move deals through the sales pipeline as progress happens. This gives you a visual way to understand what's moving forward, what's stalled, and where your team should focus attention. Keeping deal stages updated is one of the most important habits in any CRM because it directly affects forecasting and team visibility. To make the process more efficient, add automations for follow-ups and reminders. For example, you can set Monday.com to notify the deal owner when a follow-up date arrives. This reduces manual work and helps ensure that important tasks aren't missed. Finally, use dashboards to review sales performance. Dashboards help you see key information like the number of active deals, total pipeline value, and overall progress across your sales process. This makes it easier to identify trends, monitor activity, and make better decisions based on real-time data. That's how to build a simple, effective CRM in Monday.com and use it to manage your sales process more efficiently.